Hi guys, welcome to Happy Thinkers. We are going to continue our Catholic High paper, which is the 2019 Primary 4 Math paper, SA1. So let's look at this. Write 13,402 in numerals. As you can see, 1,000. Alright, if you recall, it is 3 zeros at the back, right? So 13, 3 zeros, plus, I need to erase this, plus 400 plus 2. So you're gonna get 2, 0, 4, 3, 1. 1, 3, 4, 0, 2. Next question. This is a patterns question. As you know, patterns, there are two types of patterns question. The first type is what you call the fixed intervals. Alright, so for example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So what happens is you plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, all the way. Or it can be minus, alright? It can be the other way around. It can be 9, 7, 5, 3, and then 1. So it's in the decreasing trend. Alright. The second type, is what you call the increasing, decreasing intervals. Alright. So what I mean by that is, like, for example, 1, 3, 7, 13, and 21. So what happens is I plus 2 here, I plus 4 here, I plus 6 here, I plus 8 here. It is increasing. Even this is increasing. There's another level of increasing over here. So 2 and 4, you have another plus 2. 4 and 6, you have another plus 2. 6 and 18, you have another plus 2. Alright, or you can do it the other way around. Like I said, 21, 13, 7, 3, 1. Oh wait, this doesn't make sense. It will have to be this way. Or you can have the other type, which is 21, alright, become 19, become 15, become 9, so on and so forth. So what happened is, alright, I have minus 2, and then I become minus 4, and then it becomes minus 6, and in between each I minus 2 again, in between each I minus 2 again, so on and so forth. So this is your increasing, decreasing intervals. If you look at this question, actually it's a fixed interval question. Alright, if you can see this 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, which means the 0 and the tens have not been changed. And if you can see, this is a 5, this is 0, 5, 0, and then this is 0, 5. There's a pattern here, right? The hundreds have been changing. Alright, this is generally a decreasing pattern. Now we figure out whether it's a fixed or increasing, decreasing interval. So we use 1, 5, 5, 3, 6 minus 1, 4, 0, 3, 6. Gonna get 0, 0, 5, 1, 0. So we're gonna get 1,500 in between. It has been minus by 1,500. I check it for the second one. 1,500. I minus it away. I have to borrow. So this becomes a 5. This becomes a 3. This disappears. Oh, sorry, this doesn't become a 3. This is still the 1, sorry. I didn't borrow that, so the 1 is still there. So 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, which is the same as this one. So, most likely, my guess is correct. So I can just use my 11036 minus 1,500. I will get 6, 3. This one I have to borrow. And then the 11 I borrowed, see as 11, becomes a 10. 10 minus 1, I will get a 9. So answer is a 9, 5, 3, 6. If I were to check my answer, 9536 minus 1500. Oops, 1500. Alright, so you'll be 8036, which tallies. Alright, next question. What is the smallest 5-digit odd number that can be formed using the digits 4, 1, 7, 6, and 9? Each digit can only be used once. Smallest 5-digit odd number. So, if you want the smallest number, you start with the smallest number, which is 1. Then you start with the next smallest number, which is 4. And then you use the next smallest number, providing that it's not an odd number that can interfere your answer. So the next one, thankfully, is 6 is even. So it's 1, 4, 6, 7, and a 9. Alright, 7 is obviously smaller than 9, and both are odd. So you can put 9 at the back. So it's 1, 4, 6, 7, 9. Which of the following numbers has 3 as a factor? 13 obviously doesn't have 3 as a factor. It cannot be divided by 3. 18, yes. 3 times 6 gives me 18. 32 also cannot be divided by 3. 45, yes. Okay, 3 times 15 gives me 45. So 18 and 45 are the answer. List the two common multiples of 4 and 8. They are between 20 and 40. So for the multiple of 4 that is bigger than 20, it will be 24, okay, 28, 32, 36, alright, and less than 40, yeah, because it's between 20 and 40, between. So you cannot put 40. For 8, you have 24, 32, that's it. So the answer is this 2. So answer is 24 and 32. Use a protractor to measure A. Alright, this one you will have to use the actual protractor to measure, that I can't really show on the diagram now. The answer is 25. Okay, this question, draw and label a line BC such that angle ABC is 75 degrees. Alright, for this kind of question, I would have to imagine I have a protractor with me. I would be putting the protractor here. This is the center of the protractor. Okay, this is 0, and I'm going to read. Okay, I'm going to read. And then if it's at 75 here, if this says 75 degrees, I'm going to put a dot outside my protractor. And then I'm going to remove my protractor. Alright, I'm going to remove away my protractor. I will see these 2 dots. I'm going to use my ruler. I'm going to set my ruler here, and I'm going to draw that line. So this one would be 75 degrees, and this is C. So angle ABC is 75 degrees. Right. In the square grid below, a side of a square has been drawn. So you draw the remainder. As you can see, these 2 units across. So you have 2 units across here. Okay, 2 units across down like that, 2 units across down like that, and you have a square. Alright, pardon me that I don't have a ruler, but you have a ruler with you when you're doing this question, so please do it properly. Find the product of 2527 by 9. Product means what? What operation is it? Is it plus? Is it minus? Is it divide? Or is it times? It's times, right? So you're going to times them together. 2527 times 9. 9 times 7 is 63. You bring the 6 up. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 2, 47. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 4, 22. So the answer is 22743.